The island of Taiwan, a vibrant democracy of 23 million people, occupies a position of immense strategic importance. Situated just 100 miles from the coast of mainland China, it sits astride vital sea lanes crucial to East Asian commerce. These routes carry oil, raw materials and electronics, making them critical to global trade. Taiwan's location gives it immense geopolitical significance. It acts as a potential flashpoint between major powers and a key player in great power competition. At the heart of Taiwan's defenses lies its capital city, Taipei, home to the nerve centers that would orchestrate the island's response to any conflict. Buried deep beneath the bustling streets and modern skyscrapers are fortified command centers, hardened against attack and designed to ensure the continuity of government and military operations. These facilities house the sophisticated communication networks, intelligence analysis centers, and strategic planning rooms vital for coordinating Taiwan's defense. Key among these is the Hengshan Command Center, a highly secure facility rumored to be located beneath the presidential office building. This subterranean complex serves as the alternate headquarters for Taiwan's political and military leadership. It is designed to withstand even the most devastating attacks, ensuring that Taiwan's leaders can maintain control and communication in a crisis. The Ministry of National Defense, located in Taipei's Daji district, is another critical hub, responsible for the day-to-day management of Taiwan's armed forces. Understanding the location and function of these command centers is essential for analyzing Taiwan's ability to respond to a military attack. Protecting Taiwan's airspace is a multi-layered air defense network designed to intercept and destroy enemy aircraft and missiles. This system integrates a combination of indigenous Taiwanese weapon systems and imported platforms, creating an overlapping shield designed to maximize defensive coverage. At the forefront of this defense are surface-to-air missile batteries, strategically positioned across the island. Among the most capable systems in Taiwan's arsenal are the American-made Patriot Advanced Capability Package missiles. These advanced interceptors are designed to engage and destroy incoming ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and aircraft at high altitudes. Complementing the Patriots are Taiwan's indigenously developed Tiankung Skybow series of surface-to-air missiles. The Tiankung systems provide both long-range and medium-range air defense capabilities, further bolstering Taiwan's ability to counter aerial threats. These mobile missile launchers can be rapidly redeployed, making them more difficult to target and increasing their survivability. Early warning is paramount in Taiwan's defense strategy, giving its forces precious time to react to an impending attack. This early warning capability relies heavily on a network of sophisticated radar stations positioned at strategic points across the island. These stations, often located on mountaintops or remote coastlines, provide continuous surveillance of Taiwan's airspace and surrounding waters. Among the most important of these is the ANFPS 115 paved pause radar station located at Leshan Air Base. This powerful phased array radar, operated by the United States Air Force on Taiwan's behalf, provides long-range early warning of ballistic missile launches. Its high-powered radar beams scan the skies for potential threats, providing crucial data that feeds into Taiwan's air defense systems. In addition to the PAVE pause, Taiwan operates a network of indigenous radar systems, including the AN-TPS-77 and the mobile AN-TPS-80. These systems provide shorter-range coverage, filling gaps in the radar picture and enhancing Taiwan's ability to detect low-flying aircraft and cruise missiles. Section 5. Wings of Defense. Taiwan's crucial airbases. Taiwan's airbases represent critical nodes in its defense network, serving as the launching pads for its air force and the home to its combat aircraft. These bases, scattered across the island, would play a pivotal role in any conflict, providing the means to contest air superiority and conduct offensive operations. Protecting these air bases from attack is therefore a top priority for Taiwan's military planners. Among the most important of these is Qingchuan-Kang Air Base, home to Taiwan's fleet of F-16V fighter jets. These advanced aircraft, recently upgraded with American assistance, form the backbone of Taiwan's air defense capabilities. They are armed with a range of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, allowing them to engage enemy aircraft and strike ground targets. Equally crucial is Chiayi Air Base, which houses Taiwan's fleet of indigenous IDF fighter jets. These versatile aircraft, designed and built in Taiwan, provide a valuable complement to the F-16S, further bolstering Taiwan's air power. Section 6, Lifeline to the Sea Strategic Ports and Harbours. As an island nation, Taiwan is heavily reliant on its ports and harbours for trade, resupply, and potential reinforcement in times of conflict. These maritime gateways handle the vast majority of Taiwan's imports and exports, making them essential to its economic vitality and wartime sustainability. Recognizing this, Taiwan's military planners have taken steps to fortify these ports, preparing them for the possibility of attack or blockade. Among the most strategically important is the port of Kaohsiung, Taiwan's largest harbor and a major hub for commercial shipping. This sprawling port complex handles millions of containers each year and serves as a vital entry point for energy imports. Recognizing its importance, Taiwan's Navy maintains a significant presence in Kaohsiung, protecting it from potential threats. Another key port is Suao, located on Taiwan's eastern coast. Suao serves as a naval base and would be a crucial entry point for any potential reinforcements from the United States or its allies. Section 7, Steel Arteries, the role of Taiwan's railways. Taiwan's railway network, a marvel of engineering and efficiency, plays a vital role in the island's defense. These steel arteries crisscross the island, connecting major cities, military bases, and industrial centers. In times of conflict, this railway system would be essential for transporting troops, equipment, and supplies to where they are needed most. The Taiwan Railway Administration, responsible for operating the island's rail network, has identified key vulnerabilities in the system. Bridges, tunnels, and switching stations represent particularly tempting targets for an adversary seeking to disrupt Taiwan's logistical backbone. To mitigate this threat, the TRA has implemented various hardening measures, including reinforcing key bridges, constructing blast walls around critical infrastructure, and establishing redundant communication systems. Section 8. Powering the island energy as a strategic asset. A modern military runs on energy, and Taiwan's ability to defend itself is inextricably linked to its energy security. The island's power plants, fuel depots, and electrical grid would all be prime targets in a conflict, as an adversary would seek to cripple Taiwan's ability to power its defenses and sustain its population. Taiwan is heavily reliant on imported energy, particularly natural gas and coal, making it vulnerable to disruptions in supply. To mitigate this risk, Taiwan has been investing in renewable energy sources like solar and wind power and seeking to diversify its energy import partners. The government has also established strategic reserves of fuel, providing a buffer in the event of a supply disruption. Section 9. Sheltering the people. Civilian protection in conflict. In any conflict, protecting civilians is paramount. Taiwan has a robust civil defense system designed to provide shelter and assistance to its population in times of emergency. This system includes a network of bomb shelters, evacuation plans, and public awareness campaigns aimed at preparing citizens for the possibility of attack. Many of Taiwan's bomb shelters are located in underground facilities, such as subway stations, underground shopping malls, and public buildings. These shelters are designed to provide protection from airstrikes and artillery bombardment. The government has also designated evacuation routes and assembly points, allowing for the orderly movement of people away from potential danger zones. Section 10. A fortress under pressure. Taiwan's strengths and vulnerabilities. Taiwan's defense posture is a complex equation, balancing geographic advantages with inherent vulnerabilities. The island's mountainous terrain and the Taiwan Strait provide natural barriers, complicating any invasion attempt. Its armed forces, though smaller than those of mainland China, are well trained, equipped with advanced weaponry, and highly motivated to defend their homeland. However, Taiwan also faces significant challenges. Its heavy reliance on imported energy and semiconductor chips makes it vulnerable to blockades and supply disruptions. The constant threat of missile attacks and cyber warfare from mainland China puts immense pressure on Taiwan's defenses. Moreover, the island's limited strategic depth means that there is little room for error in a conflict. Ultimately, Taiwan's defense rests on a combination of military preparedness, international support, and the resolve of its people. By understanding the island's strategic vulnerabilities and the potential impact of targeting key infrastructure, we can better grasp the complexities of this critical flashpoint in the Asia-Pacific region.